So, hi, and how are you all, guys? I have come up with a new video. This video is all about making logos and painting using MS Word. Today, in this world, it's very important, to make a work, and you can also use the MS Word for freelancing as well, rather than using a very complex softwares like Illustrators, Adobe Premiere, etc. Now you can use MS Word also for making a logos. So come up with me. So this is an opening video. This is the first part, and in the second part I will also tell you about how we can make painting. In this video I will tell you about making a logos in here. So rather to approach any freelancer or any paid expert, you can use MS Word for yourself. Like the first one logo, like I'm mentioning here, this is about a travel company logo. Like it's maybe a moving company, like moving a passengers company. And while you looking the second logo on the right side, this is a tea company which presents tea in their restaurants. And now check out the whole video and let me know how do you feel and how do you know. If you have any query regarding the subjects, if you have any query regarding how you handle the issues, you can email me, you can comment here, and personally you can also text me. So in the first part I would like to tell you about how you can make a logo of a university. So the first part is that you open your MS Word and go to Insert tab, and click on a shapes that is appeared in a toolbar on the front of MS Word. Draw a circle from here. Most of the universities logos are in a circular shape, so it's all depend on you. By the way, I just take it a general phenomena. And now make copy and paste by using a right click with the mouse. You can also use drawing another circle by copying and just pasting. So now I'm going to align it, make it sensible, make it on a scales like how it appears to be fit. So and now make it fit by dragging. And while I'm going to practice for you, I'm not making a final and touchy logo for you. For any viewer, you can use the word, and you can take much care of it, much precision while making a video. So go to the picture tab and insert some of the picture from anywhere. Like if I have picture on the desktop, sorry I don't have picture on the desktop, I will go to somewhere when I can use a picture for a university. Here, now paste it. From the end of the pictures you can resize it. Yes, now make it resize it. And it's important to know you guys all about that MS Word is a more functional program. You go to the format tab and make it in a text wrapping, make it in front of text. Now you can draw and you can use your image anywhere where you want. Like I'm pasting here. I'm going to do something right with it. Okay, now it's looking fine. So go to the contrast that is on the left side, and now it makes somehow dark. Make it no, it's not fitting. Yes, this is somehow good, and yes, this is more important good, and this is. So I would like to use this now because our picture is doing great. And now go to the word art on insert tab, write name of your university or college, and any have institute you want to make a logo for it. Now from go to ABC College Houston, and you can now you can resize it. You can make it bold, make it italic, and you can also take some fonts as well, like which fonts you like. So it's up to you. It's none of matter of anything, but remember to use some font like which is good and which should be legible while you print your logos on a board. Now you can use different designs of it, like I have choose it. Now you can change shape of it. I have changed shape of it is like that. So now there are different stages are available. Change the shape of the picture, make it open, void. Remember guys, there is an issue that ABC College is contrasting, these are consolidated with each other. So now I will separate it. Now it's look fine, it's look good. Now it's very important to know that make a text stripe in front of the text. Now you can easily make to drop anywhere. So now I will resize it. I will make it in a shape, draw it as you want. Alright, so this is good. It's looking pretty fine. You can adjust your name where you want. It's very important to make a very precision and care while in a final touch. So because I'm just going to practice for it, I'm just going to teach you that how you like to make a video. So that's why I'm not taking much of care, but it's important for you to make very precision while finalizing the logo. So now I'll drop down it. Okay, I'm going to resize it. Now it's okay, it's fine, and make it in front of text from text wrapping. Now I will resize it. It's okay, it's now resized. Okay, it's good, it's okay now. Alright, this is good. So now you can change the shape of it, like to make it more colorful. It's all upon depends on you. But the first one, that is shape fill, that is all about making filling of your font that you have written. And the other thing is shape outline. This is making you outline, like how should be it outlined. So and now it's finally a logo for you. Now I have selected, and you can shape it as you want. It's all depend on you, your color scheme. But remember that use a color scheme wisely, otherwise you may be hurt after printing it, after using it, after sending it to the final customer, because there are numbers of customers who like different color schemes. So now I will going to make it in group. For the next time, if I want to draw it anywhere, I can make it easily. So now going to group it, right click and select the grouping. Now if I want to move it from there to anywhere, I can easily move it. So this is finally a logo for a university or for a college or for any institute you can use. If you going to print it, you will surely be surprised how it's look. But remember, use a printer wisely as well, because most of the printers are there that are not too much rich in shaping or printing a logo. So the next thing is I'm going to simplify for you. Is this is a transport company logo. So if you want to make a logo for a transport company or any company you may have, just go and to your downloaded pictures make it and drop it here. So now I'm going to resize it. So make it resize, make it somehow good. It's finally it's in a shape. So go to the text wrapping and make it in front of text, because now you can move it easily from one way to anywhere. Now make it in contrast. Now it's look good. So remember, always use the contrast and the brightness to make sure your logo is more clear and vivid while you are using it. So I just take it now, somehow resize it. Now go to the word art from the insert tab and write down the name of your company. Suppose like you can use any name of your company you may have. I just using it XYZ Logistics. So now it's again, you can resize it, you can change any font. Now like which font you may like. Now going to OK. You can choose the word art did you want. Now change the shape of it. I choose that one. Okay, you can choose other shapes as well. This all depends on your logo, that how it should be. So I just choose that one and go to the text wrapping, make it in front of text. Okay, now I would like to to move it from here, to make it in shape, to make it in circle. Now down it. Okay, it's good. Now you can resize it. Okay, it's not as good, so I just taken it. Okay, now draw it from here. Alright, so somehow it's looking very well. Alright, so alright, now I would like where like you can also mention where is your company art, like the logo of your company. Suppose the logo of my company is like how I select we moves you. So I think there should be a suitable logo for whom. Although I am not sure which kind of logo any company or tagline can use, but somehow I just change the shape of it. Okay, make it interesting, make it in front of text. Now shape it. Alright, so this fine. Yes, this one, make it in shape like you want. Scale it. Alright, and again you can use the colors you want of your fonts. I choose that one. No, it will be fine. Alright, so I also choose that colors. Alright, these are also somehow fine. Okay, now I'm going to make it large to make it more clear. Alright, so this is the thing that alright, it's now pretty clear and fine. Alright, so it's all depends on you, how you want, how your your logo should be. Alright, make it somehow clear. Okay, that's now fine. You can also use the arrow buttons of your keyboard to make it clear, to resize it and to change shape. Now I copy it. If I copy it and want to draw another circle, it will hurt my logo, so I will just delete it with the delete button that is appeared on my keyboard. So the next is, this is a logo that you can now use it. You can now, before printing it, you can check it finally that how it's look like, and go to the print preview before printing it and check it how it looks. So finally guys, it's a logo of logistic company and we moves you. And the second is of a university, ABC College of a Canada. and you can check that and these are logos for you. I have also summarized some important points for you. These are the points that you should remember before making any logo. And the first thing is to find out which logo suits you. Like some people like a logo in a round shape, many people are there who favor a rectangular shape. So the first thing is you have a clear mind like which type of logo you want. The second thing is, after defining the area and shape of logo, download a clip art from a Google Images. Like you guys check it that I used the different clip arts that I downloaded from a Google. Like here is a truck who is moving with the logistics, and the other thing is a cave that are graduates, and when guys are graduates they take it. So, and the third thing is that you should take proper care and precision while drawing a circle or a rectangular. Like your circle or rectangular should not be in a in a random shape. Like it should not be in a zigzag. So make it clear and take care while drawing it. And the fourth point is that remember, view the final touch of your logo. Check view it in print preview or print on paper, but I will suggest you to check the print preview before printing it, because you should also consider the green environment. And the finally is if you followed all the above 4 points carefully, there is nothing that you cannot draw a touchy logo.